you have to find the value for lambda and mu for the given condition. Now we have to find cross product for twice of I cap plus 6 times of j cap plus 27 times for k cap with I cap plus lambda j cap plus mu k cap, and the condition is this is equal to 0 vector. The cross product is a 0 vector. Now writing it in the determinant form, I cap, j cap, k cap, 2, 6, 27, 1 lambda and mu. This is equal to 0. Now expanding I cap with 6 mu minus 27 lambda minus j cap with 2 mu minus 27 plus k cap with 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we are having 6 mu minus 27 lambda. 6 mu minus 27 lambda is equal to 0. 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0. 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. Now solving, 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0, mu is equal to 27 by 2, and 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0, lambda is equal to 3. Now mu is equal to 27 by 2, lambda is equal to 3. This is answer.